Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I am Shreyushi and welcome to my channel. So as you must have already guessed that in today's video I am going to doing a clothing haul, but this is not going to be an ordinary clothing haul because I am going to try out all the clothes. So this is a try on clothing haul and I am super excited for this video, and I was literally waiting to do this for such a long time, but I can't because I was waiting for my other clothes. But unfortunately for this situation my order got cancelled and I thought कि जो भी है मैं उससे एक haul करती हूँ and अदर जब आ जाएगा I'm going to do a second haul. Anywho, in this video I'm going to announce a giveaway which I have told on my previous video, which is skincare haul. If you haven't seen that, go and check that video after this video, and at the end of this video I'm going to announce the giveaway. So if you are excited and want to see this haul, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have 6 clothes and first one is this. This is a magazine printed top and oh my god, मैंने इस टॉप को पहन के प्रीवियस भी एक वीडियो शूट किया था and I got so many of messages कि ये टॉप मैंने कहाँ से खरीदा है, and I told everyone that this top is from Shein and lots of you guys asking for me to share the code of this top. So I'm going to link down everything in the description box below so you can go and now buy this top. So as you can see, this top looks gorgeous with jeans, palazzo and any kind of bottom you want to wear, and this is so beautiful and the material of this top is extremely beautiful and I really love this top. It's not a Genji material but it's not a synthetic material also. The material is very different and as you can see the print of this top is outstanding and it look fabulous. Believe me, मुझे boys लोगों से भी बहुत comment आया था कि from where I get this top because this top is outstanding. And my next cloth is this, the same top but is in the white color. So as you can see that this look more beautiful than this yellow color, and as you can see this is not see through at all. White materials का एक problem होता है कि वो see through होता है. So if you wear any kind of coloring bra inside तो वो visible होता है, but as you can see nothing is visible and believe me मैंने black color की bra पहना है but nothing is visible, so which is the best thing. This is not see through at all and the material is so beautiful. As you can see this is not see through at all. This is beautiful and it feels so soft. I can't tell you have to feel this. And if I am not wrong तो इस top में 3 color है. First one is yellow, second one is white and the third one is pink. So I really wanted to buy the pink one too but that was out of stock, and my size actually vary from medium to small. Like this top is from medium and this top is from small, and I really bought this for my sister but ये भी मुझ में बहुत अच्छी तरह से fit हो गया है. And I think अगर आपकी size मेरी जैसी है and मेरी से कम है तो you can try medium or small, and I really love this top. And my next top is this. This is a beautiful top. As you can see इसमें white and black color की strap है and this is also not visible. So as you can see that this is not visible at all. This top is actually a little bit of tight on me as this is extra small, but I think small कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा हो जाता. अगर मैं small लेती तो ये भी और ज़्यादा deep हो जाता. So ये I don't think ये अच्छा दिखता. So I thought कि extra small ही लेते हैं. This is not extremely tight. थोड़ा सा tight है but it's not a big deal at all. And I really love this top. It's a beautiful crop top. So if you are not comfortable wearing crop tops, you can wear a jacket on it, even a shrug. But this looks really very cute and pretty. With hot pant it will look more pretty, but I am not fond of wearing hot pants. I don't know why, but I really love this and the material is beautiful. This is not feels extremely hot or sweaty at all. So I really love this top. Okay, so my next item is this. This is a beautiful full sleeve top and it's a crop top, and as you can see इसका जो neck है ये shoulder to shoulder जाता है. I really love this. ये थोड़ा सा deep है, so if you are not comfortable wearing this kind of top you can stitch from here तो ये up हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा. And इसका जो size है वो large है क्योंकि medium out of stock था. अगर medium होता तो I think it will be fit better क्योंकि as you can see ये sleeve थोड़ा सा लंबा है but I am comfortable of it. And मैंने born on Instagram event पे जब गया था तब मैंने ये top पहना था and you guys requested me to give the link, so now you can get in the description box. And the material is purely a Genji material, so I think this will be a perfect choice क्योंकि ये full sleeve भी है and ये बहुत soft भी है. So yeah, I really love this top. एंड माई लास्ट टॉप इज दिस इज स्ट्रैप काइंड ऑफ अ टॉप एंड ये वेलवेट मटेरियल का है. सो एज यू कैन सी इट लुक्स रियली वेरी सेक्सी एंड इफ यू आर नॉट comfortable wearing so much of body showing top, so you can wear a jacket on it, but I really love this top and एक occasion पे मैं इसे एक लहंगा की तरह भी पहना था. If you haven't seen that picture, go on my Instagram so you can see that. तो ये टॉप आप बहुत तरीके से भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. You can wear it with jeans, even you can wear it as a blouse. So I really love this material is velvety material. As you can see ये चेस्ट पे ऐसे स्ट्रेट जाता है एंड चेस्ट पे थोड़ा सा टाइट है ताकि अगर आप झुके भी तो ये ना झुके. तो I really love this top and the material is extremely soft and beautiful. As you can see this is a velvet, purely a velvet material and ये बहुत shiny भी है and मैंने इसे I think 2 and 3 times धोया भी है but the shine is still here. And my last item is this is a jumpsuit. So मैं यहाँ पर खोल के दिखाऊंगी तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. So as you can see this is a beautiful jumpsuit, full jumpsuit, sleeveless है and इसमें ग्रीन कलर का भी एक ऑप्शन था but मुझे ये रेड कलर बहुत पसंद आया है and it looks really very classy with a bun and the hoop. It looks really very classy and इसका जो मटेरियल है वो थोड़ा सा सिंथेटिक मटेरियल है जो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि गर्मी में ये थोड़ा सा गर्म होता है. बट इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन वेयर इट लाइक विंटर पे या फिर स्प्रिंग पे आप पहन सकते हैं एंड इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन वेयर अ स्ट्रैप और जैकेट ऑन इट तो भी ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. इसका मटेरियल मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया है बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस जंपसूट इज एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटीफुल एंड द डिटेलिंग इज वेरी ब्यूटीफul. I really love the front portion. It looks really very classy and you can wear a beautiful choker with it so it will look more classy. Yeah, that was my last item and I hope कि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है. Now it's time for giveaway. So I have spoken about this giveaway on my previous video but if you haven't seen that इसलिए मैं इस वीडियो पे भी मैं आपको बोलूँगी. So I am actually hosting a giveaway with my friend Jinia. Her Instagram handle name is this wake up and fashion and we are going to giving you 8 products and 2 lucky winner can get all those 8 products. क्या क्या रूल्स है क्या क्या गिफ्ट्स है वो आप जान सकते हैं. सिर्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे जाइए वहाँ पर एक गिव अवे करके एक लिंक होगा. क्लिक दैट लिंक एंड यू कैन गेट ऑल द रूल्स एंड गिफ्ट्स टू. 23rd मई को ये गिव अवे एंड होगा एंड आफ्टर 23rd मई आफ्टर दिस लॉकडाउन हम लोग वो गिफ्ट आप लोगों को देंगे. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू पार्टिसिपेट एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रूल इज दैट यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू डू दैट. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. होप यू हैव लाइक्ड इट. इफ यू डिड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. So see you on my next video. Till then bye, stay happy and the most importantly stay safe.